Hello children, good morning. Today in our English class we are going to start with a new chapter, Tansen. It is from your supplementary reading book, A Pact with the Sun. Children, are you interested in music? I know you are interested in music. Okay, so today we'll go with the story of a great musician of all times, Tansen. Tansen, he was born in 1493 and he passed away in 1586. He was also referred to as Tansen or Ramtanu and was a prominent figure. Prominent figure means most famous of Hindustani classical music. Now, I know you are fond of rock music, but you might also know that classical music also has its own passion. It has its own melody. And really, if you have a passion for music and if you really have interest in classical music, you will go into depth of music and you will really enjoy it very nicely. So when we talk about Tansen, he was born in a Hindu family. He learned and perfected his art in the northwest region of modern Madhya Pradesh. So this is all about the information about Tansen. Now let's talk about the story that he was the greatest musician of our country and he was the only child of a singer named Mukundan Mishra, and they lived in Behat near Gwalior. And as we know of children, they are very naughty during their childhood. So was Tansen. And once he ran away to play in the forest. There he learned to imitate the calls of birds and animals perfectly. Now see, imitating is a good art, and that too imitating birds and animals and their sounds is quite difficult. But he was very good at that art, at that skill, and he developed that skill very nicely. Once what happened that Swami Haridas, he was also a great musician of that time, and he and his disciples were traveling through the forest. Tansen hid himself behind a tree and he roared like a tiger. Now the travelers, they scattered in fear. Now imagine if we are in the forest and if we hear the roar of a lion or tiger, what would happen? We would just be very scared. So one of the Swamiji's men found Tansen roaring. So he found that this boy has hidden behind the tree and there is no tiger, but it is the boy who is making the noise of the tiger, or he is imitating the sound of the tiger. So this made Swami Haridas say that Tansen was very talented. So he went to Tansen's father and told him about Tansen's talent. Now, many a times it happens that though you live for the whole day with your parents, there are some skills or hidden talent in you which you even don't know and your parents even don't know. So the teacher who always observes you, they know that this boy has this talent, and they sometimes tell their parents कि आपका बेटा ये चीज़ में बहुत अच्छा है, उसको इसमें आगे जाने दो, उसको म्यूज़िक में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, उसको डांस में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, ही इज़ वेरी मच इंटरेस्टेड इन स्पोर्ट्स एंड दैट टू पर्टिकुलरली martial art or skating or things like that. So gurus, they are great and they identify the talent, and in those days the students were supposed to stay with the guru in order to learn something. So Tansen's father also entrusted him, and he just entrusted him to Swami Haridas care, and he sent Tansen with him. Now he learned music for 11 years with the guru, and he became a great singer. It was about this time that his parents died. Now, see, at that time when he was his guru, his parents died. So it was quite difficult time for him. But at that time, his father's dying wish was that he should go to Muhammad Gauss of Gwalior. Now, at that time, fulfilling the wish of father was very important, and they used to keep the words of their parents. So again, Tansen stayed with Muhammad Gauss in Gwalior, and he was sometimes taken to the court of Rani Mrignani. So in that place, it was ruled by Rani Mrignani. So he was taken to the court. Not the court which we go nowadays. This is the court which was of the kings during that times. So there, what happened? He married Hussaini, and Hussaini was one of the members of the court. She was the lady in the court, and she also became a disciple of Swami Haridas. They had 5 children, and they were all very musical. It all comes in heredity, if parents are good at some art, then even students develop that skill. Now by this time he had become a musician, and sometimes he also sang before the emperor Akbar, and he was very much impressed. The king was very much impressed, so he asked Tansen to join his court. So he joined Akbar's court, and he became Akbar's great favorite. In those times, king used to just call great people with great talents and skill, and they used to reward them profusely. I mean, they used to give so much of money, so much of gold coins, and they also earned good fame during the times of those kings. And he became a gem, जिसको कहते हैं ना रत्न, वो अकबर के दरबार का एक रत्न था. So he would call upon Tansen to sing anytime during the day or night. Very often he would walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. See, now this is a great thing. If king comes to your house to listen you, it's a great pleasure for you. So he also gave him many presents. Some of the courtiers became jealous of Tansen. Now see, success always comes with jealousy. So there are people who will always find many problems when you are rewarded. Means this is the I'm talking about that time during the king's time. So they wish to see him ruined. अब हम नहीं आगे आ सकते तो वो क्यों आए. So there was a courtier named Shaukat Mia, and he plotted to get him killed. उसने इरादा बना दिया था, एक प्लान बना दिया था कि अब इसको मरवाना है. So Shaukat Mia knew about Rag Deepak. Rag Deepak was a Deepak. Deepak means diya. Means when you light a diya. So this is a rag which enlightens the lamp. See how nicely those times those ragas were, that when you sing any rag, then because of that the diyas gets enlightened. So he knew that if a good singer like Tansen sang it, the lamps would burn, and however the heat produced around the singer could burn him to ashes. पूरा राख हो जाएगा वो जल के, इतना अच्छी तरह से अगर उसने राग गाया तो. सो तानसेन्स एनिमी वांटेड हिम टू सिंग राग दीपक. So Shaukat Mia approached Akbar, and he requested Akbar to make Tansen sing Rag Deepak, and Akbar ordered Tansen to sing Rag Deepak. Now the king was not knowing about the uh, things that were going in the mind of his courtiers. So just out of curiosity and out of his passion for music, he told uh, the singer to sing the Rag Deepak. So Tansen agreed, but Akbar he asked Akbar to give him some time to prepare himself. Now he did not need time for preparation, but he wanted to think something, that he knew that if he'll sing Rag Deepak, then what would happen? He would burn to ashes, because he knew his own talent. He knew what would happen, and he did not dare to say no to the emperor. At that time, there was no one who dared to say no to the king. Everyone obeyed the king very nicely. So he knew that राग मेघ could bring rain. मल्हार जिसे कहते हैं ना, मेघ मल्हार, तो वो ऐसा राग होता है जिससे बारिश होती है उसको गाने से. So he had taught his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupavati to sing the rag Megh. So तानसेन started singing the rag Deepak on the appointed day. जिस दिन बोला गया था उस दिन उसने वो राग गाया. So what happened? As a result, flames shot up from nowhere and lighted the lamps. सभी जगह पे सारे दिए जल गए और आग लग गई पूरे कोर्ट में. Just then the two girls began to sing राग मेघ. जैसे ही तानसेन ने राग दीपक शुरू किया, थोड़ी ही देर में लड़कियों ने राग मेघ गाना शुरू कर दिया. So what happened? The rain came down and it saved Tansen's life. But now what happened? He became ill. So it took some time for him to recover. But as soon as he recovered, the entire city rejoiced. And after then, he composed several new ragas. And his tomb in Gwalior is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. So see how much fame he got. A big tomb was built after his name. So developing skill is too much important in nowadays. I means before also and now also. So only just rote learning and just learning by heart is not enough. You must develop a skill in order to make a recognition in the society. You should make name and fame. If you are good at certain skill, then you can accomplish it, and you can have your talents explored to the whole world. Okay, so such was the story of Tansen, the gem of Akbar's court. I hope you might have enjoyed the story of Tansen, and now you also would tell your parents, your guru, to identify your talent and explore in your way of talent. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.